In a sun-kissed corner of Jamaica, Wayne and Christine shared a cozy home filled with laughter and the vibrant rhythms of island life. Their little girl, Vivienne, had just turned 9, and today was all about celebrating her. Armed with a list, the couple headed out, hand in hand, excited for a day of surprises. First stop, the bustling market, where the air was perfumed with spices and the sounds of vendors filled the streets. Wayne and Christine weaved through the stalls until they found their favorite shop. "We need the best Jamaican curry powder to make chicken back, rice, and dumplings for our princess," Wayne declared with a grin. The vendor, a jovial old man, smiled knowingly as he handed them a brightly colored packet. With their culinary treasure in tow, they made their way to Peace and Love, a charming Indian jewelry shop nearby. Christine's eyes sparkled with anticipation as she imagined the joy on Vivienne's face. Inside, the shelves glimmered with beautiful pieces, each telling its own story. Wayne pointed to a delicate platinum gold bracelet adorned with tiny gemstones. "This one, sparkly like our little girl," he said, a proud smile on his face. After a few warm exchanges with the shopkeeper, they secured the bracelet just in time for Vivienne's birthday dinner. As the sun dipped low on the horizon, the family gathered around the dining table, the aroma of the curry wafting through the air. Vivienne's eyes lit up when she unwrapped her gift, her laughter ringing out like music. In that moment, surrounded by love, flavors, and laughter, Wayne and Christine felt their hearts beat with joy, a celebration of family and the simple joys of life in beautiful Jamaica.